Hello guys, today I will show you how to make pencil sketch effect in Canva. Let's get started. First go to the Elements section. Then search for Sketch Style. Choose any style and add it. Finally, download it. After downloading, go to the Apps options and search for Photo Stylist. Then click on the Photo Stylist app. You will see options to choose file or choose photo image. Then, click on Choose File Style. Next, add the style you have chosen. Click on Choose File Photo Image. Next, add the image you have. You will see the option Generate Image. Click on it, and it will start generating. Next sketch image effect is perfect. So, let us know how you like this image. Don't forget my channel, subscribe and bell icon.